Navigating the 2025 housing market. A balancing act. The 2025 housing market presents both challenges and opportunities. Mortgage rates have decreased from their peak in 2022. However, they remain relatively high. This impacts how much buyers can afford. The average mortgage rate in February 2025 was 6.51%. However, recent data shows rates climbing to 6.77% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. The national average home price in February 2025 was $357,138. This represents a 2.6% increase from the previous year. Experts predict continued but modest price growth for 2025. Fannie Mae forecasts a 3.5% increase. The Mortgage Bankers Association, MBA, predicts a 1.3% increase. The National Association of Realtors, NAR, expects a 2% rise. Zillow, a leading real estate marketplace, offers a more conservative outlook. They project a mere 0.8% increase in home values between February 2025 and February 2026. This suggests a potential cooling of the market, which could benefit buyers. Despite these mixed signals, one thing remains consistent: careful consideration and thorough research are paramount for navigating the 2025 housing market. Understanding the interplay between mortgage rates, home prices, and inventory levels is crucial for making informed decisions. Inventory levels are a crucial factor influencing the 2025 housing market. The United States faces a significant housing shortage, estimated at 4.5 million homes below a healthy supply. This shortage continues to put upward pressure on prices. However, there are glimmers of hope for buyers. Active listings are increasing, providing more options for those searching for their dream homes. As of mid-March 2025, there were 675,558 single-family homes on the market. This represents an increase of 7,403 homes from the previous count. While this increase in inventory is encouraging, it's essential to maintain perspective. The housing market remains competitive, and buyers need to be prepared to act decisively when they find a property that meets their needs. The ongoing struggle to balance supply and demand will continue to shape the landscape of the 2025 housing market. Closely monitoring inventory trends in your desired location is crucial for making informed decisions. While national trends provide a broad overview, it's vital to recognize that the 2025 housing market is not uniform. Regional variations play a significant role in shaping price trends and buyer opportunities. Zillow's projections highlight these disparities. Markets like Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Knoxville, Tennessee, are forecasted to experience robust appreciation. Atlantic City's home values are predicted to increase by 5.1%, while Knoxville is expected to see a 4.7% rise. Conversely, some regions face the prospect of declining home values. Houma and Lake Charles, both in Louisiana, are projected to experience the most significant drops. Houma's home values are forecasted to decrease by 7.3%, while Lake Charles is expected to see a 7% decline. These regional variations underscore the importance of conducting thorough research on your target location. Factors such as local economic conditions, job growth, and population trends can significantly impact housing market dynamics. Understanding these nuances is essential for making informed decisions that align with your individual circumstances and investment goals. Navigating the complexities of the 2025 housing market requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. Here's some expert advice for potential home buyers: financial preparedness, credit score. A strong credit score is essential for securing favorable mortgage terms. Check your credit report, address any errors, and work on improving your score. Down payment. Save for a substantial down payment. This will reduce your loan amount and potentially lower your monthly mortgage payments. Closing costs. Don't underestimate closing costs. These expenses can add up, so factor them into your budget. Emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Home ownership often comes with unforeseen costs. Market timing. Mortgage rates. Keep a close eye on mortgage rate trends. Small fluctuations can significantly impact affordability. Off-season. Consider buying during the off-season fall-winter. There may be less competition and potentially better deals. Regional research, local market conditions. Thoroughly research your target location. Understand the local economy, job market and housing trends, school districts. If you have children or plan to, research school districts in your desired area. Patience. Avoid rushing. Don't feel pressured to buy immediately. Take your time, explore your options, and make a well-informed decision. Saving and improving. Continue saving and improving your financial situation while you search. Recommendation. The decision of whether to buy a home in 2025 is highly personal and depends on individual circumstances. If you're financially prepared, have done your research, and are patient, 2025 could offer opportunities. However, it's crucial to approach the market cautiously, be prepared for competition, and be ready to act decisively when the right opportunity arises.